Sati Babu, you are welcome to Om Shanti Ashram.
Okay, good morning, sir.
To live a dignified life, honorable life, respectable life, a useful life is very challenging. That's why in Katha Upanishada, it is written, which Swami Vivekananda picked up and made his slogans, Uttishtat,
Uttistat,
Jagrat,
Jagrat,
Prapyo,
Prapyo,
Varanibodhat,
Varanibodat,
Churasya,
Shurasya,
Dharasya,
Dharasya,
Nashita,
Nishita,
Durastya,
Durasya,
Durgam Patha,
Durgam Pataya,
Kabyo Vadanti.
Kabyovad.
Means to become enlightened, to become wise, to become honest, to become sincere, to become truthful, to become non-violent, to become a man with absolute control on his mind, a man who knows the value of calmness, serenity, responsibility, honorable, respectable, is very challenging. How many people you know they have acquired this? One man was so great was Buddha, and then Marcus Aurelius. See, every time they will tell the wisest man, Marcus Aurelius, emperor of Rome. Then comes Seneca. Then come Epictetus.
Epictetus.
They are very rarely few people. Then come Kabir Das, Surdas, Tulsidas. In India we have so many great saints who acquired this stardom of wisdom and intelligence. You understand?
Yes.
That's why it is very difficult. So a bhajan what we are singing, Dagar Kathin hai. See, in that constraint you see here.
सफर है मगर मुसाफिर जगह नहीं है घर है मुश्किल कठिन सफर है मगर मुसाफिर जगह नहीं है
खोएगा वही खोएगा जो सोएगा बस वही खोएगा ये बात उसको पता नहीं है
घर है मुश्किल कठिन सफर है मगर मुसाफिर जगह नहीं है मुश्किल कठिन सफर है मगर मुसाफिर जगह नहीं है मुश्किल कठिन सफर है मगर मुसाफिर जगह नहीं है अगर है मुश्किल कठिन सफर है मगर मुसाफिर जगह नहीं है
खोएगा फिर वही खोएगा जो सोएगा बस वही खोएगा ये बात उसको पता नहीं है
अगर है मुश्किल कठिन सफर है मगर मुसाफिर जगह नहीं है अगर है मुश्किल कठिन सफर है मगर मुसाफिर जगह नहीं है
Dr. Satyanarayan, this is a very remarkable bhajan in Hindi. You see, in Hindustan, Bharat Bhumi, Pavitra Bhumi, the center of civilizations and culture. Here, what the poet is telling, the journey of life is very turbulent, very difficult and very challenging. That's why we say, Uttishtat Jagrat Prapya Varani Bodhat. To live a very dignified, honorable, respectable, useful life, you have to struggle a lot. You have to go to the greatest and wisest and learn how to live your life, you know. So that is telling. Majority of the people, what the bhajan says, they don't know how challenging is living a life with dignity, honor and pride. But see, the person is in the slumber. in the dormant state of morbid lethargy. He is sleeping. Means he is living a cattle life, insensitive life, irresponsible life. What is the irresponsible life? Maya, greed, anger, hatred, jealousy and cynicism. काम, क्रोध, मद, लोभ, मोह, ईर्ष्या, द्वेष, नफरत, नाराजगी, भ्रष्टाचार, दुराचार, दुश्मनी, लड़ाई, झगड़े. The whole world is in this flame of ignorance. That's why he tells. डगर है मुश्किल. The very challenging terrain, turbulent, trailing path is there. And living a very dignified life is very, very difficult. Rather impossible to live a good life. But the fool is not understanding the challenges of this life. He is ignorant. He has ignored everything. He is not interested to learn anything. Living like a cattle in this world,
Broad field of
battle in the bivouac of life. He is living a cattle life. He is not interested to understand, And why he is doing that? He is sleeping. Sleeping means he is doing all cattle thing. His intelligence is supreme mind. He is not using his mind. He is not having self-control and self-discipline. He is not understanding the value of right thinking. He has never gone to Buddha's philosophy or Seneca philosophy or Marcus Aurelius philosophy or Vivekananda interpretation of all these scholars. Their life is miserable. And when their life's majority is miserable, the world is miserable. Yesterday, what Ukrainian did. One great lady has become the power center in UK. She ordered to hurl hundreds and hundreds of drones on Putin's residence. Putin instantly called Donald Trump. And he said, I don't want to destroy entire Ukraine and Europe. Now see, they are attacking my residence. War has gone to such a devastating and dishonored and very criminal state, So why it is that? They don't know what is life. What is life? Arise, awake and stop not till your mind is in control. You have right thinking. You know how to conduct yourself, behave yourself. You have to think good of all, find good in all, and be good with all. That's why Vasudev Kutumbakam, Sarve Bhavantu Sukhina, Atma Sarvhotis. That is the meaning of life. They don't know. That is the bhajan. डगर है मुश्किल कठिन सफर है मगर मुसाफिर जगह नहीं है. You understand now?
Yes.
जो सोएगा बस वही खोएगा. इस बात का उसको पता नहीं है. ओम शांति.
Om Shanti.